everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect TikTok Shop to Shopify. So I've prepared 3 steps here. Step number 1 is to set up your TikTok for business. So to do that, just log into your TikTok account, go to the TikTok Business Center, and set up a business account if you haven't already. So it looks something like this. And then just register for a TikTok Shop. It's available in supported countries. So go search it up if what are the countries that are available for TikTok Shop. And then step number 2 is to install TikTok app on Shopify. To do that, just log into your Shopify admin panel, go to the Shopify app store and then search for TikTok app. Now click on add app and install it. And lastly is to connect Shopify with TikTok. To do that, just open the TikTok application on your Shopify dashboard, log into your TikTok for Business account, and just follow the prompts to link your TikTok account to Shopify. Choose the TikTok ad account and TikTok pixel for tracking and optimizing your store's performance. And that's it. That's how you connect TikTok Shop to Shopify. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!